Is Bitcoin right now before a massive capitulation event in the Bitcoin price where we still can see a significant drop? Guys, that will be the topic of today's video. We are going to have a look at the Gaussian channel right here, inspired by Blake on Twitter. And this is very interesting because this is on the 5-day chart. It's not on a daily chart, not on a 4-hour chart. This is on the 5-day chart. And what we can see is that normally every time Bitcoin loses the uptrend, or basically the lower part of the Gaussian channel, that comes along with a huge capitulation event and a significant drop. Could that be the case right now, guys? That is what we are going to have a look at in today's video. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Of course, everybody knows this. Before we are zooming in on this, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new, of course, subscribe to the channel. So guys, right now the topic is going to be slightly sensitive, right? Because Bitcoin has not been showing a lot of strength lately, and I think what we are seeing in the markets right now is actually quite dangerous, and we either have to see a bounce in Bitcoin in the very short-term time frame, seeing some strength coming along, which I think is definitely possible. Otherwise, we could be seeing a capitulation event happening, something like March 2020, maybe like 2018, or what we have seen right here in the year of 2014. Maybe not that severe. Don't get me wrong, the market conditions right now are definitely different. However, it is definitely possible to see another big move to the downside, especially when we have a look at this indicator. So, what is this indicator? This is the Gaussian channel. And what we can see in this Gaussian channel, guys, is that normally the middle, the top, and the bottom are significant levels. The top is acting as resistance, the middle as support and resistance, and the bottom should act as support. And so far we also got quite exactly a bounce from that support. Let me get rid of the drawings. To the middle of the channel right here, but now we are trading below this channel, and in 2 days, approximately 2-3 days, we are going to close this candle, which potentially could be below the bottom of this channel. And the previous times, guys, when we have seen something like that, Bitcoin didn't actually look all too good. That is the reason why I wanted to share this with you. If we go back to the previous time we lost this channel, this was in March 2020. We got a huge capitulation event afterwards. The moment we lost this level, we got a drop of 45% roughly. Then the time before that was in 2008, right here. The moment we lost it, from there we got a drop of 50%. That is also quite crazy. And right here in 2014, the moment we lost this level, we got a direct drop of 30%. We bounced up, back tested this level as resistance, and we came back down and we had a 63% almost correction. So you can already see that the correction right here was more severe than 2018 bear market or what we have seen in 2020. However, this is definitely showing right now that we are seeing some warning signals, and if Bitcoin cannot quickly recover from here, we might see a capitulation event, which doesn't have to be a drop of 50%. Definitely not. But yeah, we could still see a significant drop, maybe to the upper $20,000 US dollars level, so $28,000-$29,000 US dollars. I think that is definitely possible, and maybe, guys, this is also needed to tap into demand and to get new buyers, to set a new bottom. As we have been talking about yesterday as well, the retail investors right now are gone. Retail are gone. There are only long-term holders right now, and what basically happens in the markets is that sometimes we need these moments where all the weak hands are being shaken out and where we get a capitulation event, and that capitulation event is the new bottom for the next rally. So we can see right here in March 2020 we had a capitulation event which eventually led to this massive rally. And why can we rally from such capitulation event? Well, it has multiple reasons, but the two main reasons is, first, we tap into a lot of liquidity, so a lot of Bitcoins are being bought by strong hands, and second, it will give a lot of confidence to the bulls to see such capitulation, or a lot of confidence to investors in general, right? to see a capitulation and to see a nice quick recovery afterwards, because it's well known in the markets when we are seeing such a capitulation, then the chances of that being a bottom is actually quite likely, similar as the other way around. If we are seeing a huge you don't call it capitulation, you call it a blow off top, you're seeing a huge extreme in the top, you also can be more certain that we actually have seen a top. So this is basically how it works. Right now Bitcoin is trading below this channel. This price level is at 37,800 roughly. We will get a close of this 5-day chart in 2 days and 19 hours approximately, depending when you're watching this video. It will change a little bit, of course. But yeah, I think definitely, guys, the next days can be very crucial for Bitcoin. Whether we are going to see a significant move down, or whether we can see something like this where Bitcoin is going to set a double bottom formation right here and then is going to see higher levels. Those are the two scenarios basically that I'm right now mostly watching. I think we have to be careful right here. We have to be realistic that if Bitcoin is losing some key levels right here, we definitely can see a further drop. Altcoins won't be looking all too good, but they might provide us with huge buying opportunities coming ahead. So that is something important to note. Guys, if you want to prepare for such event, if you want to hedge your Bitcoin into stablecoin, or if you want to take advantage of it by shorting Bitcoin whenever it happens, or longing Bitcoin on a bounce, you can do that, of course, over on the Bybit exchange. That is the exchange that I'm using the most. And right now, if you sign up using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $4,100 and a 10% discount on your fees. This is a temporary bonus, so if you don't have an account yet over on Bybit, I definitely recommend you to take advantage of this bonus. And yeah, you can trade, of course, with leverage, but you can also just trade on the spot market and protect yourself for moves like this, or already set your buy orders so you can so you can accumulate Bitcoin whenever we are seeing a move to the downside, if that is going to happen. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about this this indicator. Do you think it is very significant or not? I personally don't think we are going to enter a multi-year long bear market right now. It just doesn't feel like that is the most likely scenario right now when we have a look at the macro environment, when we have a look at unchanged statistics and so on. But I do think, because it is Bitcoin, we have to realize that it is Bitcoin, it is possible to see a capitulation event. We are having a warning signal, which we have to take seriously. But if you use this opportunity, if it would come, it can also be a nice opportunity for you to accumulate more Bitcoin, to set your buy orders already below this channel. Whenever Bitcoin is seeing a further drop, your orders being filled and you get basically cheap Bitcoin. Like I said in my previous video as well, a lot of buy orders are being set right now at $30,000. Doesn't mean we have to reach those levels, but normally these buy orders, they work like a magnet, so the price eventually will try to meet that liquidity. That is just something to point out. Like I still said, time span of 6 to 12 months, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin, and I think everything is actually looking quite bullish. Shorter term time frame is very, very different. We could be seeing a capitulation event, and for the bullish case right now, as we lost the 61.80%, that is the level I've been pointing out in yesterday's video. That was right here. The moment we lost that level, I told you guys we're most likely going to see a further drop, most likely into this green box at least. So right now for the best case scenario is to do something like this, where we could form a double bottom and then see a big bounce in the Bitcoin price. If Bitcoin cannot do that in a very short-term time frame, then we could be seeing Bitcoin trading significantly lower and getting some form of a capitulation event ahead to shake out all of the weak hands. Guys, be very careful in this market. And yeah, remember, if you want to take advantage of such an event, if you want to hedge or whatever, you can sign up on Bybit using my affiliate link down below. You get a $4,100 deposit bonus, and you will get a 10% discount on your fees. Only available with this specific affiliate link. If you want to learn more how to trade over on Bybit, I've made multiple tutorials on that, which you can find over on my channel. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. And I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.